Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add sound effects to your video on the Edits Instagram app. So if you want to add some sound effects, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your App Store or Play Store. You want to search for the Edits Instagram app and you want to make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you want to make sure you're on the Projects tab here at the bottom. Tap New. Go ahead and create a new project. Tap on Add. Now here, if you want to add some sound effects, you can go ahead and find the sound effects icon here. Now you can go ahead and add all these different types of sound effects. So you can add a backspin, a record scratch, a whoosh, a boing, bonk, bubble pop. You can go ahead and choose from all of these different sound effects. Now when you press play, I put the volume up. You'll see that the sound effect is being played in the video. So there you go, guys. That is how to add sound effects to your video on the Instagram app.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.